Hello, hello, hello. How are you? How are you guys doing? How are you doing? Trust all is well. It's your personal dental insider here again, continuing on our education process and highlighting, and of course, working towards bridging the gap between the head and the body in regards to where our teeth health is concerned. Focusing again on making sure that we understand that it's just as important as taking care of our teeth as it's important on taking care of our knees or elbows or backs or everything else in the body. I'm showing you this common carotid artery. Do you see where it's actually going down into the body? But more importantly, I want to highlight the nerves from each individual teeth. This is the lower arch, the mandibular arch. Do you see where all these nerves are stemming from these teeth and they're lining, going up into the maxillary canal, and they're coming on down into this one common carotid artery. So in continuation of that artery, here is the same artery again here. You can see it's going on down, internal jugular. We know where that is. That's by the throat. So come on over to this page and I'll show you exactly where that artery leads to if we just follow through here. And we'll see where that continues on. Here we go. So stay with me. And here it is. Do you see where this artery leads? Right into the heart. Do you see that? And of course, all the other arteries that goes into the body. So I'm saying that to say this, a lot of times for some patients rather, we need to be pre-medicated before we actually have any kind of a dental work done, mostly like the cleanings, because once you start, getting at those bacteria that gets into the bloodstream, for patients who have to have procedures done, they will always tell you that you need to go to the dentist to make sure that you get a full bill to say, okay, they've checked everything. There's no hidden bacteria there that will get into the system and cause complications at a later date. So this is why you always need to make sure that what goes on in the mouth is okay, because when it comes down to your other arteries and in the body, it can affect you significantly and cause a lot of adverse reactions towards your health condition. Okay, do you see where everything is connected once here? So I just want to make sure that they're understanding. Again, I do want to hear from you guys, whether it be an email or a comment. Of course, I am coachable and teachable, so if any of my dental savvy friends are out there and you want to shoot me a line as well, anything that you think that maybe needs a bit more clarification, of course drop that in the comments as well. I'll be more than happy to entertain the conversation. Okay, and again, I just want to hear from you. When was your last visit at the dentist? What confused you about the visit? And of course, what challenged you most about the visit? I want to hear from you. All right, you have that information there. Again, we're going back to the basics, but more importantly is for you to understand the diagnosis that are given, meaning, your treatment plan, okay, how you can actually break it down into phases of treatment, and get it taken care of. Phase 1, 2, and 3, and get everything taken care of. The most important thing is to getting back to healthy. Okay? See the heart's right there. Intestines right there. But I hope this was informative, and if there's anything again that you want me to go back over from all the other videos, I'll be more than happy to do so as well. I'll just show you a little bit more about blood cells and everything, but that's not where we're going into. That's not our focus. We're just staying in the head where the teeth are, and to make sure that we understand the importance of taking care of our teeth. Oral hygiene, also the tongue. There's a previous video on the tongue. You can always go back and take a look at that and see the importance of also making sure that we clean our tongue, because all of those nerves that are there, and of course the bacteria that will lighter on that as well. Here is it as well. All this muscle here, that's the tongue. Okay. All right, so again, I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear from you. Anything that you need me to go over a little bit more. So drop me a line, send me an email, give me a comment. I want to hear from you.